Hey everyone, welcome back. If your NAV verification code isn't working, start by checking that you are entering the most recent code. These codes expire quickly. Make sure that your phone has stable internet connection before entering the code. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, then make sure that you're connected to a stable connection so your app operates smoothly, and then you can enter the verification code. If you're not receiving the code at all, check that your phone number is correct and has strong signal. Then restart your phone and request a new verification code. Also, make sure that your phone date and time are set to automatically. Go to the settings and open general, scroll down, go to date and time, and make sure that it is set to automatically, as incorrect time settings can cause verification failures. If the problem continues, NAB may temporarily block verification attempts for security reasons, and you may need to contact support. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.